The SFP Wizard has finally arrived. Inside the box we'll have a small manual and the wizard itself. Let's take the foil out. As you can see, it's a very nice small device. On the back it has two ports, one for SFP, one for QSFP. It has a USB-C power adapter and of course the power button. If we power it on, it shows a direct message in order to write or read an SFP profile. Let's make a quick test. This is a Unifi 10 gig multi-mode module. So I'm going to insert it in the SFP port. Reading transceiver. Profile has already been copied. Now remove it. I need to insert the transceiver where this profile should be copied to. Now I have the option to write. Do not remove the transceiver. I'm using the same transceiver just for demonstration purposes. I do not have other brands available, but this is just to show how it works. In this scenario it doesn't make much sense because it's basically the same transceiver, but it is a game changer when you're using multiple SFP providers. This small wizard will help you get out of vendor lock. Remove transceiver and we are done. If we scroll down on the menu, we have the option to adjust the backlight, enable or disable Bluetooth, which for now it's used only for OTA updates, and of course enable or disable screen rotation. One thing to mention is that the SFP Wizard does not store all the profiles read. So in case you want to write an HP profile, let's say, you actually need to have the HP SFP. It is a bit of a drawback, but I think it's a way to avoid maybe regulatory compliance. After upgrading the firmware with the Unifi app, once you insert a fiber optic transceiver like I have, you have another option here called DDM Info. And once you click on it, if you activate the laser, of course, you can see more information about the transceiver. We can see the wavelength, for example, TX and RX power. We can also see the current, voltages, temperature, and other module information. Overall, I think this device is super nice and it's a must-have for any tech enthusiast or field technician. Let me know what you think. That's it for this short video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe.